So let's talk briefly about the parts and pieces in your CVES kit. The first thing that you're going to get is hook and loop fastening system, and this can be used to attach all your parts and pieces to the communication binder. The next item is the communication binder itself, which is seen here. Communication handle. To use the binder, a hex key has been provided, and that allows you to open and close the binder rings and lock them shut. Inside the binder is a first then visual here, and then a series of 8 binder inserts attached here on the inside. The core vocabulary foldout is attached to the back of the communication binder. Here I'm showing the CVES foldout 105, which contains 105 icons. You've either selected the 105 core vocabulary foldout or the 189. So the 105 is attached to the back of the communication binder. You may have also selected the 189 as seen here. A communication card comes with your kit that gets attached to the bottom of the core vocabulary foldout. For the binder inserts that are seen inside, you're provided with a set of personal core stickers that can be used to customize any fringe or personal core vocabulary that you'd like to add to your system. So if you would like to add on additional vocabulary to certain pages, so for example, if you want to add on a picture of a car to the play page, you might use the orange star sticker and add those items into your insert. On the back of the communication binder is a visual schedule. And lastly, you've got a white binder stand. So those are the parts and pieces that you've gotten in your CVES kit.